Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting the memo ready and choosing an export path. You've checked storage and microphone access, so open the Voice Memos app and find the recording. Next, tap the Share or Export icon. This is the first actionable step that creates a file you can control. Choose a format like M4A for small size or WAV for higher fidelity. Once done, pick an export destination. Save to Files, Email, or Cloud. This ensures you now have a file to move or edit. Now you handle the middle steps: format selection, naming, and destination details. You choose M4A for compact storage or WAV for fidelity because format affects size and compatibility. Then select Save to Files or a cloud provider. Make sure you know the exact folder path so you can find the file later. Rename the file with an informative label and add metadata like date or subject if available. Once done, verify the transfer completed by opening the exported file in the chosen destination. Finish by validating and backing up the file. You should play the exported memo in the destination app to confirm duration and sound quality. Check the file size to ensure it matches expectations. If the transfer fails, retry using a wired connection, re-export to local device storage, or reboot the app. These quick steps often resolve permission or network hiccups. If format compatibility is an issue, use a converter app to change M4A to MP3 or WAV, and then back up the.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.